everybody, American Rail Fan here. We got a southbound coming because the signal aspect showing clear here in Weaver, Wisconsin. As that train will head inbound for Exland, which is at milepost 368.7. Alright, let's get it. Or train, I think it's E724. Slow. 3864. And 3838 running second. This has got to be going at least 10 to 15 miles an hour at least. This thing is slow. And they're calling the dispatcher. Am I getting the cops called on again or something? Because I'm not trespassing. But anyways, I think this is the U724 southbound ore train.
Yeah, 3864 south. Was going through Weirgore there. Looks like the kid's still out there. Looks like he's just taking pictures. Standing between the gate and the Weirgore house track. Over.
Alright. I'll get the locals out there.
Yeah, he's probably just a little bit too close. If he was standing on the other side of the gate, I don't think it'd be a problem. There was a gray ATV sitting a ways away by the stop sign of the bar over there. I don't know if that's his or not. He's wearing a black shirt, dark gray shorts, and Justin Bieber long blonde hair. I don't know if you need a description over it.
Like with a black shirt and gray shorts, and by the state of Weirgore, that car, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
All right. Hard to spot. That's possible. And if he doesn't want to keep himself safe, it's our job to keep him that way. All right.
Got another 100-year anniversary in it. I think that was the U724. They called the dispatcher because because I'm here, real fanny, and of course, they're probably calling the cops again. But this happens everywhere, though. I've seen like a bunch of it on YouTube, so I mean, now it's happening to me too. But anyways, I'm probably head up to Leamington now, so maybe get some stuff up there. So, all right, all right.